Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video if you have a Kia guys. I'm talking about any Kia, Kia Rio, Kia Sportage, Kia Soul, whatever Kia you have guys, and you have any of the following two codes. I'm talking about code P0016 or code P0017. Stay with us and we'll explain guys what can cause that. Make sure to stay until the end. It could be things that you may not even think about guys. So very helpful information will be shared today. Now let me introduce you to the channel. If you need to buy any parts or tools for your Kia, check out the links in the description of the video below. We share them guys for your convenience, and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Number two, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information to you. So let me explain what we have here, okay, and what I'm talking about. Now this is a Kia Rio guys, but that same design engine, especially that 4-cylinder engine guys, but even if you have 3, 4-cylinder or even 6 or 8-cylinder engine guys, has been used in multiple Kias. Now that engine has different displacements. Some are 1.6 liter, 1.8, 2.0, 2.4, but guys, all of them function about the same way. So if you have any of these codes, what that means, okay, let me now tell you quick guys. Code P0016 and code P0017 actually detects the position of the crankshaft and camshaft guys, and if something is off, it's going to let you know. It will tell the engine computer, okay, the camshaft is supposed to be at this position when the crankshaft is at this certain position, but something is not right because the crankshaft and the camshaft do not align. Now most of the times you will have two camshaft position sensors on a 4-cylinder engine guys. One is intake camshaft position sensor and intake camshaft, and exhaust camshaft position sensor right there, usually towards the back, and exhaust camshaft. Now the crankshaft is on the bottom, and that's what is turned by the pistons guys. Now what can cause these codes? Something simple guys to check always. Okay, but make sure you stay until the end because you just hope it's not some of the last things that we will mention. Always check the wiring harness for the camshaft position sensors. Most of the times you have 2 of those. You may have even up to 4 if you have a 6-cylinder engine. So always disconnect, make sure you don't have any corrosion, make sure everything's good, okay, especially if you washed your engine, make sure everything contacts correctly. Make sure the wiring harness is not broken. You can see we have 2 camshaft position sensors. Some cars may even have a single one, depending on how old your Kia is guys. But always make sure. Also we have a video that explains how to test camshaft position sensor. We did it recently on a BMW, but the procedure will be very close as well, and I will try to put the link in the description of the video below. Another thing guys, okay, another thing, you have a crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft position sensor is underneath usually guys, and it's super important sensor because it's going to detect the position of the crankshaft, and it uses that position for the timing, when to spray fuel, when to give spark and all that stuff. So always check the connector, okay, for the crankshaft position sensor, and also guys test the crankshaft position sensor as well. Another thing I would recommend, remove the camshaft position sensors and the crankshaft position sensors and inspect them to make sure they're not too dirty on the inside. Sometimes you will have so much build up on them that they will not be able to read correctly, and as a result you may get this code. Now something else that can cause that, okay, you have variable timing on most modern vehicles guys, single or dual camshaft variable timing. You have 2 solenoids. This is for the exhaust camshaft, this is for the intake. Those solenoids, they divert the oil through special gears that let the car adjust the timing guys according to how much power it needs and all that stuff. So that's variable timing, and if those solenoids malfunction and they're stuck, open or closed, you may even get one of those codes. And we have a video that explains even how to test VVT solenoid. I'll try to put the link guys, if not it's on our channel, and how to clean one of those, because just a dirty solenoid can cause that as well. We had that happen even on a BMW not too long ago. Now another thing, you have the variable sprockets. Those are the sprockets on the camshafts, and they may malfunction as well. We showed you how to replace that on another Kia engine, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It will explain all that. And something else, guys, okay, you just hope it's not the case. You hope it's not crankshaft sprockets, but it could be bad guy's timing chain tensioner that's malfunctioning, stretched timing chain, because the longer chain will actually offset the position of the camshafts and the crankshaft. And another thing, guys, okay, it could be jumped timing chain. And you just hope that's not the case, because you have to tear quite a bit the engine. We have a video actually that explains how to replace timing chain on one of our channels, and I will try to put the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.